Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist here. And these two cute little fluffy kittens were kind of a preliminary sketch for a watercolor I'm working on right now. So just want to get the gesture of them in here. Going 4 times the speed and voicing over. And I'm basically just getting their parts in the right places. Making sure they fit together well. Paying attention to shapes and angles more than anything. So, of course, this is a good way to draw for painting. And, you know, some of those little imperfections are what really give these kittens their character. I'm not aiming at getting everything exactly the same as the photo. Just capturing the gesture of the kittens. And you can carry it in whatever direction you'd like to. You can make it a finished drawing or use it for a basis for painting or whatever. Or just do it for fun. Just play in your sketchbook. And I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment below. Tell me about yourself or your cat or whatever. Or tell me what you want to learn about cat drawing, and you can put in capital letters video idea right at the beginning of your comment if you're telling me an idea for a video. I get a lot of my ideas from viewers, and I love to hear from people. I want it really rough around the edges just to suggest the fluffiness of these kittens. And just a suggestion of tabby marks. Fill in some of the darker areas with shading. And you got to be careful with ears on kittens like this, because if you define the ears too much, you'll lose the fluffiness. Because there's a lot of fluff around their ears, and their ears are kind of get hidden in that a little bit. So in other words, draw what you see, not what you think you see. And it's so easy to overdo it with a simple sketch like this too. And I love that they each have a different expression. Thank you so much for watching.